Ever thought making a chatbot could be as easy as making a presentation? Say hello to Botsup, the world's easiest no-code chatbot platform helps users automate their customer support, lead generation, appointment booking, and more. With Botsup, thousands of users across the globe convert all day, every day. The chatbot can look the way you like. Yes, like this also. It can embed anywhere. Look at this website's widget, a full pager, and oh, a banner ad as well. With Botsup, you can create intuitive chatbot for WhatsApp too. With the live agent, API integrations and more, Botsup will unleash your innovator. Come get started and build something amazing. That's Botsup.